Mid and small cap companies have the potential to become large cap companies. However, only a few make it to the next level. And our strategy strives to identify such companies. Presenting Motilal Oswal Focused Mid Cap Strategy, a mid and small cap oriented fund. Our wealth creation study has shown that significant wealth is created when a company evolves from being a small cap to a mid cap to a large cap in the long run. Since December 17, Nifty 50 has outperformed mid and small cap indices by 31% and 52% respectively. However, historically, mid and small cap indices have massively outperformed the Nifty 50 in the long term. Also, mid caps tend to outperform in a high growth environment. Not just that, they bounce back after every sharp fall. Let's look at the history. In the calendar year 2008, mid caps fell by 59%. But in the very next calendar year, it bounced back by 99%. In the calendar year 2008, small caps fell by 71%. But in the very next calendar year, it bounced back by 107%. And both the segments have been negative since the calendar year 2018. Is the correction overdone? Are they primed for a comeback? FMS portfolio intends to invest in companies where valuations have corrected in the last 2 years, while they have retained their earning profile. It will identify stocks which are potential multi-baggers across the broader markets and are a sector agnostic, with little or no allocations to commodities and global cyclical. Allocation to be a function of convictions on companies and not necessarily dependent on price. Maintain active targets of profits and prices on stocks with distinct 1, 2 and 3 years view. Mismatch of price and timelines should lead to action on folio on both sides, that is buying and selling. Regular trimming of positions if price targets run ahead of timelines. Regular addition in positions if profits are ahead of times and stock prices are not responding. This strategy is a mix of small, mid and large cap stocks with a calibrated weight in large caps to be measured by weighted average market cap at the portfolio level. However, maintaining positions in companies with relatively less or low leverage with a growth outlook of 20% plus at a portfolio level with a preferred portfolio level ROE of 15% plus. This strategy has delivered absolute returns of 34.2% as compared to 20.5% by Nifty Mid Small Cap 400 TRI, an outperformance of 13.7% since inception. This focused approach has helped the fund to outperform its benchmark since inception. And to identify these stocks, we use our unique QGLP stock picking methodology to buy right. This, combined with a low portfolio churn ratio, helps sit tight to unlock the true potential of multi-baggers. So invest now in Motilal Oswal Focused Mid-Cap Strategy and reap the benefits of emerging wealth creators.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.